Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop snap here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are experiencing snapping in Canva, where elements automatically align or snap to each other here in Canva, you might want to disable this simple feature. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to open the design or project that are working. If you don't have yet, just click on the templates and you can choose from business, social media template, education, video, marketing, print products, or you can simply click the create a new design to start from scratch. Now, I'm going to upload a specific file here, right? And I'm going to show you what snapping is all about. I'm going to go to the text. Say, for example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. You would notice that the snapping is the line here. See the blue lines for the element. If you want to remove or to stop the snapping feature here in Canva, all you have to do, see that? There's a lot of snapping going on. Go to the file, click on settings. Now on the file, go to settings. Here, just turn off the show rulers and grids. Okay, so you're never gonna see the snapping feature here. Otherwise, just press on, hold control, and you can move around the elements wherever you wanted that. So these are some of the ways for you to snap the snap here in Canva. All right. Again, go to the file section right here, click on settings, and you might want to turn off this section. See that the grid has been, because if you want to need more precise control over the positioning of elements after disabling the snap, now you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge elements into place right here. All right. And of course, you can also zoom in, that you can give a better view of the placing of elements when you choose that. Click the left side panel of your dashboard. All right. You can effectively stop snapping in Canva and gain more control over your design elements. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do now is click on share. You can download as PDF, standard PDF, print, or JPEG or PNG, or even MP4 or a GIF. If you want to share this to your client or your boss, you might want to click on the copy link right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.